Today we're looking at part number 7-95WN. This is your 1/2 inch by 20 by 4.5 inch long keeper bolt with the lock nut. So this keeper bolt right here nut go into your equalizers right here. Typically on like 10K and 12K, 15K axles, you'll have a smaller hole right here on your equalizers, and that's where these skinnier bolts go. Just put them in right here and put on the nut. Simple as that. It's always a good idea to have a few extra of these on hand just in case something happens on the road. You never know what will happen. Standard lock nut and your grade 5 bolt right here, and we'll just measure it out real quick so you can see. So the overall length, we'll get that real quick. It's going to be 4.8 inches, and the diameter of this guy right here is going to be 1/2 inch, and we'll even get the head. The head's going to be 0.83 inches. And you can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'll get you fixed up. Thanks for watching.